This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the PiranhamaX4 and securing the transducer. First, insert 4 AA batteries or plug in a 12V source. The unit needs stable voltage to initialize correctly. Next, mount the transducer on the transom so the face is level with the keel. This ensures clear returns. Once done, seat the fish finder in its bracket, tighten the knobs, and plug the transducer cable into the port. This completes the physical setup and readies the unit to boot. You'll now configure sonar for accurate readings and less clutter. Power on and set language, units, and time to match your preferences. This matters for readings and logs. Then choose a fixed depth range or let auto range follow bottom changes. Auto range simplifies surveying when you move across structure. Finally, tweak sensitivity and frequency. Lower sensitivity to cut noise, raise it to detect baitfish. Higher frequency sharpens detail but limits depth, so balance for your fishing spot. You will use the sonar actively and finish by marking targets and handling issues. When trolling or paused, watch arches and bottom composition. Slow speeds give clearer targets. Use the cursor to mark waypoints on structure, rocks, or bait schools, then save them for repeat visits. If you lose returns or see only noise, verify transducer plug seating, ensure the transducer angle is correct, and confirm a solid 12V supply. Fixing any of those usually restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.